welcome back to Living the Rowdy Life for episode number 11. I'm at my home field today to play a little Airsoft. I have two videos of our games today. One played in the jungle and the other one on the main field. Big thanks for watching, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to give us a like. You can also subscribe to our channel, and if you check the bell below, you'll get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Now it's time to get shooting, so sit back and enjoy.
Yep. Straight ahead of you. Sean, straight ahead of you. Right behind you, Richard. Good job. Good job.
Okay, so we're on our last level.
Oh, we got two?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. Oh. I don't. Oh shit. Who? Is that Dean? Ryan must have got him. I got Dean in here. Okay, I'll stay on the left and... Oh, shit. Sean's coming. Watch out, Sean's in that tower. Got him. All right, you got Sean in the castle in the middle, lower level. All right, we got one on the right. Where's Ryan at? All right, we got Ryan left.
Thanks to everyone that tuned in to watch. But don't go anywhere just yet. I did a few outtakes from today's action and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments.
Hit! Ow! Hit! Good job, Richard. Damn it! Hit! God damn it! Shit! Hit! Ah, shit! Good job, Sean! Hit! Good hit!